Hi little kids, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to draw for you different types of beautiful girls dresses. Here I am drawing 3 beautiful dresses and then I will color it with brush pen color and using some glitters color. So let's see how I draw all the dresses and how I color all these dresses. I draw all the dresses. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using brush pen color for all the dresses upper parts, and then I will use glitter color for all the dresses lower parts. So let's see. Wow, the dress is looking so gorgeous. Purple dress is also looking so gorgeous. All the dresses are looking so beautiful and gorgeous. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new videos for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.